Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about NPTEL problem solving through programming in C week 8 assignment 8 answers. The due date for this assignment is 21/9/2022. So the first bit is what will be the output of the following program? Int main, within the main function, two blocks are there. This is one block and this is another block. Int a equal to 70. Here variable a can be declared as integer and it can be initialized with value 70. After this block, another block is there. In the another block, printf %d a. Here in this block variable a is not declared, so that we can get the error. That error is called as compilation error. Okay, in which block variable is declared, in that block only that variable is printed, but variable a can be declared and initialized within this block, but the printing of a value can be done in another block, but in this block variable a is not declared. Okay, so answer is option C, compilation error. Next one is, which of the following statements are correct in C? A function with the same name cannot have different signatures. Option B, a function with the same name cannot have different return types. Option C, a function with the same name cannot have a different number of parameters. Option D, all of them mentioned above. So all statements are true. So therefore answer is option D. Next one, third bit, what will be the function return? Int func int x comma int y, x and y can be passed as two parameters. Within this function, the three statements are there. If y equal to 0, it returns 0 value. If y equal to 1, return x value. Next one, return x plus function x comma y minus 1. Suppose x value 6, y value is 4. Okay, so this statement is false. If y equal to 0, so y value 4, 4 equal to 0, that is false. Then control goes to this statement. If y equal to 1, 6, 4 equal to 1, this is also false. Return x plus function x comma y minus 1. So x value 6, 6 plus function of 6 comma 4 minus 1, that is a 3. Again this function is called with x value 6 and y value 3. Okay, now control goes to the body of the function. If y equal to 0, that means 3 equal to 0, false. Then control goes to this statement, y equal to 1, that is 3 equal to 1, that is also false. Again control goes to return x plus function of x comma y minus 1, 6 plus function of 6 comma now 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again control goes to the function, here x value 6, y value 2. So here brace begin. If y equal to 0, that means 2 equal to 0, false. Control goes to this statement. If y equal to 1, 2 equal to 1, that is also false. Control goes to this statement, return 6 plus function of 6 comma y minus 1, that is a 2 minus 1. So function of 6 comma 1 can be called once again. This is the recursive function. So 6 comma 1. Now control goes to the body of the function. If y equal to 0, that means 1 equal to 0, that is false. Control goes to this statement. If y equal to 1, so 1 equal to 1, true. Therefore return x. This statement is printed, x value is a 6. Okay, so this value is 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, that is 24. So this entire function returns when x value 6 and y value 4, that is 24 value is printed. So therefore answer is x into y, where x and y are non-negative integers. Next one, what is the output of the following program? So here these two are function prototypes, void foo comma f. Int main function, in that main function we are calling f function. This is the calling function, f function. Control goes to the f function. In that one, printf 1, 1 is printed. After that, calling another function foo. So control goes to this one, void foo. So in that function, printf 2. So first one is printed, after that 2 is printed. Okay, in this function 1 is printed. Whenever we are calling this one, 2 is printed. After that, so control goes to the main program, return 0. So answer is 1 comma 2, option B. Next one, what will be the output of the following program? Hash include stdio.h int main. In that main function, switch printf of c. So here c value is printed. So whenever c value is printed, it can be taken as true. True value is nothing but 1. So switch off 1. 1 means case 1 is activated, printf choice 1. So choice 1 is printed. After that break, control goes to the next statement. After the switch statement, return 0. So here printf of c is nothing but c is printed. C value can be taken as a true. Whenever true value is equal to 1, so switch of 1 is printed, case 1. So printf of choice 1. So choice 1 is printed. After that, control goes to the next statement after the switch. So there are no statements are there. So answer is option B, C, choice 1. Next, sixth bit, what will be the output of the following C code? Hash include stdio.h int main char x equal to 0 for x equal to 0 semicolon x less than or equal to 127 semicolon x plus plus. Within the for loop, printf percentage d comma x. After that, return 0. So if the x value is 0, so 0 less than or equal to 127. Here x variable can be declared as character. Okay, but variable x can be printed as percentage d. So answer is this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 127 is printed. After that, starting from minus 128 to 0 is printed. After that, minus 1 to minus 127 is printed. After that, 0 to 127 is printed. Continuously printing the, so 0 to 127, minus 128 to 0, again 0 to 127. So in this way, continuous infinite loop is printed. Next, seventh bit, what is the output of the following C program? Hash include stdio.h int function of int n int I comma j sum equal to 0. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. For j equal to I, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Sum equal to sum plus j. So return sum. Within the main function, printf percentage d function of 10. So this function can print the sum of 10 numbers. Okay, sum of 10 numbers logic. This is another type of logic. So sum of 10 numbers value is 55. Okay, answer is 55. Next one, consider the function find int x comma y within the function return x less than y. If it is true, print the 0 value. If it is false, it can print the x minus y value. So this is a conditional operator. This is the expression. If this expression is true, the statement after the question mark is printed. If this expression is false, the statement after the colon will be printed. So it always returns the minimum of A and B values. So this logic is used for finding out the minimum of A and B values. So answer is option D. Next one. So ninth one, int Fibonacci of int n within this function switch of n brace begin default return Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. Case 1, there are no statements are there in case 1. Case 2, there are no statements are there in case 2. So after the switch statement, return 1. The function above has a flaw that may result in a serious error during some invocations. Which one of the following describes the deficiency illustrated above? So among these four options, option A is the answer. For some values of n, the environment will almost certainly exhaust its stack space before the calculation completes. Next one, 10th one, what is the output of the following C code given below? Float function float age open square bracket close square bracket in the main function. So result variable can be declared as float and age array name age can be declared as a floating point. It contains the values 23.4, 55, 22.63, 40.5, 18. Okay, so array age can be declared as a floating point that can be initialized with these values, and variable result can be declared as floating point variable. Next one, result is equal to function of age. So this entire array can be passed as an argument to this function. So after that, whatever the function that can return this value, that value can be assigned to the result. That result value is printed. After the decimal point, we can take only 2 digits. Okay, so in this function, variable sum can be declared as floating point variable and the result can also be taken as floating point variable. For I equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus, sum is equal to sum plus age of I. Okay, that means each and every array of the element can be a sum can be summed, and whatever the value can be getting. So sum is equal to 23.4 plus 55 plus 22.6 plus 3 plus 40.5 plus 18. That value can be added and stored in the variable sum. After that, so this is the average of 6 elements in the array that can be calculated. So sum by 6, that value can be assigned to the result. Return a result. That result can be assigned to the result in this result variable in the main function. So printf result. So that means 23.4 plus 55 plus 22.6 plus 3 plus 40.5 plus 18. So by divided by 6. So that value is 27.08. Okay. So 10th bit answer is 27.08. 9th bit answer is option A. 8th bit answer is option D. 7th bit answer is option A. 6th bit answer is option C. 5th bit answer is option B. 4th bit answer is option B. 3rd bit answer is option B. 2nd bit answer is option D. 1st bit answer is option C. I hope all of you understanding these solutions of week 8 assignment 8 answers. In the next video, we have to discuss about week 8 programming assignment solutions. So then click on submit on. So thank you for taking week 8 assignment 8. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivasa Rao. Thank you one and all for watching this video.